Dear farmers, when we talk about batched breeding or estrus synchronization, this is what we basically mean. Now, if you are a farmer that embraced estrus synchronization, that will mean that at the end of the 9 months, your animals will give birth to a batch or to a group of calves. The calves that you're seeing here. These calves came out of what we call estrus synchronization. So these calves are of the same age and of the same weight. So what we were discussing earlier, or what we discussed the previous time, was that when you carry out or when you use estrus synchronization, then you're going to have a number of calves produced at the same time. Calves produced at the same time means that their management is also going to be easy in terms of preparing or planning for their infrastructure, preparing for their nutrition requirements, their disease or health requirements, things to do with vaccination, things to do with deworming. Everything is going to be properly planned or managed, because whatever you're taking care of is considered as having uniform needs. However, a word of caution: if you want to practice estrus synchronization as a reproduction management tool on your farm, there are things that you have to put into consideration. One of the important things that you have to look at is the housing. This isn't the best type of housing for calves of this age, because under this environment, more so when it rains like today, that means that you are actually increasing the chances of these calves falling sick. There are 3 main disease challenges that affect our calves. One of them is septicemia, very important calf disease. Another one is pneumonia, and then diarrhea or the scores. So it's very important that as you think of carrying out or practicing estrus synchronization, you also have to plan for things like housing of these calves. This is not the best calf house, so we need a much better calf house to ensure proper growth of your calves.